Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be playing Five Nights at Maggie's again. This is tonight's last episode until we move to the next season. Woo! Okay, they're both here. Then we have this one. Henry Emily. Copyright, you tried to stop me and you failed. Now the experiment is complete. Okay. And all thanks to you. Stephen Cattle. Woo! I'm rich. Now we just have to move on to FNAF 2. Be right back. Okay, we're officially at FNAF 2. Find them. Second jump scare of this video. Dude!
Okay, let's see. Is this thing on? Oh, okay. Hey, welcome to your new job. So, I will be recording these tapes to help you get through the night. I know this seems like the usual boring security guard job, but it is not. Well, first, the basics. As you probably already seen, you have a tablet with all the cameras from the warehouse and the vents. There are also other buttons which are play sound and close vents, but I will talk about them in a second. On your left there is a hallway and another little tablet which you can use to light the hallway and see if there's something there. There's also an electric shock button which I will also talk about in just a second. Now, as you probably already saw, there is an old animatronic stored there. This one is not supposed to be part of the tour, so that's why it's here. They don't really tell you why he's here, and when you ask, they say something along the lines of like, because he's too old, or because he doesn't represent John McAdams' work, which I think is a lie, but, well, what are you gonna do? So, now there's a bit of a problem with these robots. I don't exactly know why it happens, but they tend to move at night. Again, when you ask for an explanation, they always tell you, oh, it's their system malfunctioning, don't worry about it. Again, I don't believe them. Mainly because of what happened in the old restaurant with the owner and all the stories behind it. So, anyway, I'm gonna tell you what you should do to protect yourself from all of them, but today I'm gonna talk about 3 of them. So, there's Maggie and Chachi. They will try and get you from the hallway. You can lure them away with the sound system on the cameras. Just play a sound in the camera they're in and they will go away. Although, there is a small chance that instead of moving back, they move forward, so always keep an eye on them. Now, if you see them in the hallway, use the shock system to give them a control shock. That might make them go away. There is a chance that they will still be there, so keep an eye there too. Then, yeah, right, there's Guppy. Now, he will move towards you. If you use your flashlight, he'll go back to his place, but keep a close eye on him. He won't make any sound as he moves. He's really dangerous. Yeah, well, that's everything I have to say for today, and good luck with your first week. Bye.
Sit the hell down. So ugly, abandoned, woman, freaky down. like this video, please like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Of course, I'll see you in the next one, which will be in a while since my phone was like laggy. Peace. Peace. Amen.